Hi guys, it's Miko Martinez, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to get SEO results faster than everyone else. SEO results like this, where we nearly tripled an ecom brand's SEO revenue in just 2.5 months using our SEO Quick Wins playbook. If you don't know who I am a Shopify SEO expert. I've been in the SEO industry for over 6 years now. I've worked on over 200 projects, and I've helped scale some of them to 7 figures in annual revenue. So let's get to the video. How do you get SEO results faster than everyone else? How do you get SEO results like this? Real SEO results, not just traffic, but actual revenue. Tripling revenue, nearly tripling revenue in just 2.5 months. Well, we use our SEO Quick Wins playbook, which I'm going to share with you today. So the first step is always start with a technical SEO audit. You want to make it as easy as possible for search engines to crawl and understand the content on your site. The more difficult you make it for search engines to do this, the less likely you're going to rank. And the reason behind that is simple, because if the search engine has two choices for which website to rank, and the websites have the same content, the same backlinks, it's going to want to rank the one that's easier to crawl and index, right? The one that it has to use minimal resources. Because in the end, Google is a business and it wants the search engine to be as efficient as possible, use the least amount of resources as possible. And if your site has technical SEO issues like orphan pages, duplicate pages, missing alt text, etc., these all increase the cost of retrieval for your site. So the search engine will basically prioritize another site where they don't have to crawl duplicate pages. The goal with technical SEO is to minimize the cost of retrieval and allow search engines to use the minimum amount of resources to crawl and index the content on your site. And it's pretty simple in the end. It's just a checklist. So this is a training we have in our school community. It's basically a checklist of like the common technical SEO issues on Shopify and how to fix them, And they're usually mostly to do with duplicate pages, right? Because that's the most common issue on these Shopify stores. You just have a ton of duplicate pages because of your tag pages, because of your, mostly tag pages, to be honest, but auto-generated pages by Shopify. But yeah, you just have to go through this list and basically fix all these technical SEO issues. And then you can use a tool like Sitebulb to basically crawl and find the other issues like, again, missing meta descriptions, title tags, alt tags, etc. Even things like 404 errors resulting in orphan pages, etc. But yeah, the technical SEO audit is the first thing you always want to do. The next thing is to fix your site structure, right? That's both your navigation and the homepage. The most important thing here is to feature your shopping pages with the highest search volume on your navigation and at the top of your homepage. And the reasoning behind this is simple. Your homepage has the most backlinks pointing to it, making it super valuable. And you want to direct all that link juice to the pages you actually want to rank, whether that's a high search volume product category page or a high search volume product page. You want to feature, again, in the navigation and homepage. And we also have training on how to do that. We give examples of what good main menus look like and basically what good home pages look like, right? Like how to structure them so that you are funneling all that link juice, all that authority to the pages that you actually want to rank. Again, this is all available in our school community. The link is in the description. Okay, next, you want to optimize your shopping pages, whether those are your product category or collection pages or your product pages themselves. And the reason behind this is simple. These shopping pages are what's going to drive revenue growth. So you want to focus on optimizing these first. So whether it's your collection page, this is how we typically like to structure our collection pages. This is our template. We have the H1 on top, a short description below that, and then the product grid. This is where most e-com brands stop, right? But the problem with this is that you're not giving the search engine enough information to work with, right? Like the search engine is looking for the authority or expert in the industry. It's looking for the best answer for a query. And if you're just giving it an H1 and a product grid, you're not really giving them much to work with, right? And Amazon can get away with this because they have such strong domain authority. They have such strong authority that they can get away with this, but most e-com brands can't. So you should add a detailed category description below the product grid frequently asked questions, answering common customer questions, and some featured reviews at the bottom. Again, like only add content if it's relevant and useful. In the end, this detailed category description is just you're just explaining what makes your product different from your competitors. The frequently asked questions, you're just answering questions that your potential customers might have. And the featured reviews, they help with conversion rate. And if they're keyword rich, they actually help with SEO as well. So yeah, we've seen we've seen a positive correlation between the amount of useful, relevant content below the product grid and rankings. So you definitely want to optimize your product category pages by adding more content to them. And if your product pages have more search volume, you want to optimize your product pages as well. You'd actually want to prioritize optimizing your product pages if they have more search volume. And with product pages, it's the same thing. You want to add more useful, relevant content to them in the form of a short description, features, product features, specifications, a detailed product description, some frequently asked questions as well, and of course the reviews at the bottom, which most of these product pages have anyway. But the goal for the product pages is actually to maximize conversion rate, right? And you want to do that through the content you're adding. And the reason behind this is simple. A high conversion rate shows the search engine or signals to the search engines that the users are finding exactly what they're looking for. If a user lands on your site, purchases a product, and doesn't have to go to another brand to, find what it's looking for, the search engine sees it as a positive signal and will improve your rankings, right? Like if the user is finding exactly what it's looking for, it's ending its user journey on your site, that is a positive signal to the search engine and will improve your rankings. Okay. After optimizing shopping pages, you want to optimize or you want to publish supporting blog content. And the reason for this is twofold. Number one is topical authority. Supporting blog content shows search engines that you're the expert in your industry. And number two, internal linking, right? When you internally link the supporting blog content to your shopping pages, they pass the link juice from the blog post to the shopping pages. And then, well, it just helps search engines and users navigate your website better too. But the main thing here is the passing of link juice, because now you can build backlinks to your blog posts and they will pass that link juice to your shopping pages. This is what it looks like. This is typically how we do our internal linking for Shopify stores. Again, the homepage and navigation link to your collection page or product page, depending on what your key pages are in your industry. In this case, it was a collection page. And all your blog posts internally link to your collection page or your key page here, right? That's how we do the internal linking for Shopify stores. Because the goal here again is to funnel all that link juice to the key pages that you want to rank. Because again, your shopping pages are what's going to drive revenue growth. If you've been doing SEO for a while and you've ranked some blog posts, you'll find that they will not drive much revenue. It's your shopping pages that drive most of the revenue from SEO. Okay. And last, but not the least, is building high quality backlinks, right? We focus on building guest posts and link insertions with traffic. Like this is the strategy that has been working really well for us. It's like our go-to strategy, and mainly because it's reliable. We can choose how many of these links we build every month, and we can hit our targets every month, and they move the needle, right? For example, like this specific project, we built one link insertion on a page with traffic to this specific page. This was a collection page where the target keyword was 1,000 search volume target keyword. And this one backlink, well, plus the optimizations we made to the page, the supporting blog content, etc., shot this page up to number one for its target keyword, which is 1,000 search volume. So you can see how this probably had a lot to do with improving revenue in just 2.5 months, right? And if you want to learn how to build the same guest posts we do, how we do the prospecting, how we do the vetting, etc., again, we have training on this in our school community. The link is in the description. You get access to all these trainings. And it's not just like these documents. There's a video as well going over that. And the most important thing I think is with the community is actually the weekly Q&As that we have. So yeah, that's it for now. If you can execute this SEO quick wins playbook, steps 1 to 5, again, going over it again, doing a technical SEO audit, optimizing your site structure, then optimizing your shopping pages, publishing supporting blog content, and building high quality backlinks. There's no reason you can't get quick SEO results. SEO results like this, SEO results that actually matter, not just traffic, but actual revenue. Okay. So, yeah, that's it for now. Again, if you want to learn how to do this yourself, I recommend you join our school community. The link is in the description. And if you want us to do this for you, there is a link in the description to apply to work with us. And if you're fit to work with us, we'll hop on a call. And on this call, there's no obligation to work with us. So at the very least, you end up with a free SEO consultation and an SEO action plan that you can implement on your own. So yeah, that's it for now. I hope this was helpful. Thanks for listening. Cheers.